Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Jay the Modem Marauder back again with another video. And today, as you guys can see, I'm recording with the phone. Today's a different type of video. I'm going to be going to my first ever bike meet. It's the Bikes and Coffee YVR Season Opener. It's in Vancouver. It's about an hour away from my house. So I'm not going to be recording on the highway the entire time with the microphone. I've left the microphone at home. I have my headphones in my bag and I'm going to be recording there. But on the highway, it's just going to be B-roll and stuff like that with the DJI Osmo Action 3, and I'm going to be recording with my phone when I'm there. We got R7 already, and I'm going to be meeting up with a couple of guys. We're going to go in a group because I wouldn't have gone by myself for my first meet that far away. But I am going with a couple of guys I met off of Instagram as well. If they want, I'll post them on here too. If they don't, I respect their privacy. First, we have to get some fuel, and then I'm going to be messaging them to head on over to meet them up before we all ride out. So I don't know how much I'm going to be recording on the ride and how much I'm going to be recording of everything else. If this turns into a good video, it's a good video. If not, it's going to be a bunch of reels. All right, catch you in a bit.
Nice to meet you, sir. Awesome. Okay. Sounds good. You?
Yeah, we're just gonna get you guys to park by on the handicap spots. Just keep it tight as possible,
okay.
Please. Thank you.
Hold on, put music on. What's up?
I can't believe I ran into you.
I know. I lost Derek. I was like, because I'm in the, yeah, because then I was like, I didn't know if you were like the actual group or not. So I was like, am I going the right way?
Yeah, you were.
Okay.
I'm sorry, like this. I'm like, bro, it's
all to the real. You do it like that. Come on, bro, let's chill.
Yeah, thank you, man. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, like I said, we'll go down this way.
Yeah.
And then after that, we'll see you after.
Okay.
Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we got back. My camera died on the way back home. Yeah, and you guys can see I didn't really get to record much of myself speaking during the show. It was too loud with the music and everything. I didn't bring my microphone, and it felt awkward to put in my earbuds when I was with people. So I just did what I did, had some food, enjoyed, and recorded bits of it for you guys to see. And got back home. We had gone through the back roads, then on the highway, and we got back home safe and sound. So I'm gonna end the video here. I've been home for about an hour trying to decompress and everything, and to relax for a bit, and now ending the video here. So in the garage. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you all in the next video. All right, see ya.